Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Let's tap on the contact you'd like to block. And now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on block numbers. Here your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's simply tap on block. And as you can see, your device will immediately block this number. You can of course unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, because to open the blacklist we have to open the settings. It does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. Of course, here you can also add the number manually just by tapping on this option. Here you can enter it and tap on block. Here you can also block all unknown callers just by tapping on this switcher, and you can turn it off the same way. If you want to unblock the number, tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.